Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a Venmo to Doordash. So before we start, if you're looking for interface tutorial through the app, I'm not going to show that in this video. So I truly apologize if that's what you're looking for. So first of all, you need a Venmo app. Make sure to go and download it if you don't have it yet. It's very simple to do. And then make sure to go and log in into your account as well. Once you're logged in into your account, as an example, we'll just follow a simple guide. So, can you use Venmo on DoorDash? As of now, DoorDash now does not directly support, but it actually does. So, a very bad probably article. So basically, I'll just show you some steps of this video because it shows actually how, but I'm not gonna play the video for copyright issues. So basically, you'll need to go and enter to your DoorDash. Once you enter to your DoorDash, of course, you'll need to go to the settings, then go to payments methods. And here, of course, you'll be able to find Venmo and simply click on it and connect your Venmo account. As example, DoorDash wants to open Venmo, click on open. And once you click on open, it will be connected if you're already logged in into your account directly. So as you can see, this article is not real. So yeah, that's how you simply do it. So that's going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching and goodbye.